The clock is ticking for the city of Red Wing. In a matter of a few days, at max a few weeks, the water levels will rise, and right now they're working on multiple projects. That includes phase 2 of the ongoing Rivertown Renaissance project along the mighty Mississippi.
So the project in totality is about $8 million and includes installation of about 600, 700 feet of sheet pile wall, new promenade, additional docking abilities.
The goal of having everything ready for summer seems like a big task to handle, especially with the river levels projected to rise. But Seymour says Red Wing folks know how to work around the gift of the river.
We have contingency planning. We have standard operating procedures we put in place. We're ready for it.
Just down the Mississippi, MnDOT is pretty much on the same page.
We've been doing projects. I worked at Dresbeck down near La Crosse. We did a river crossing there. We're working in Winona right now as well. So, the river is just something you have to deal with.
A bridge doesn't come up overnight, but crews will be working around the clock until at least the girders, the steel platforms meant to support the concrete, are put down.
Once they get that done, then they can continue to work and the river won't affect them as much.
That target completion date in about 10 or so days, hence the 24-hour construction. By the time the Mississippi River reaches its full height, this causeway that we're standing on might not even be around. At least that was the case last year. MnDOT says that they are watching water levels extremely closely at this point. In Red Wing, Sharon Yu, KARE 11 News.